What do we have here? Salomondrin'S Carrera GT. We're out here at Protected Film Solutions. So we have made it here to the man cave. Can't get over how low this car is. Look, the wheel is tucking underneath the fender. Car community fam, welcome back to another vlog. We are out here at Protected Film Solutions. Does this place look familiar to you? They usually have a car show over here filled with supercars. Good morning, B-Dam.
Morning.
What's up? Welcome to the channel. I think you guys seen B-Dam here before.
We're at PFS right now. They've always helped us out. So Logan's somewhere. Oh, there's Logan.
Hey, what's up, Logan?
What's going on?
Welcome to the vlog. It says employees only. Like, what are we gonna do about that? Do I need like a name tag or something?
No, it's good.
All right, we're good. Let's go.
Let's see what we got back here.
Wow, this place is huge. Starting off the tour, they have an Aventador SVJ behind us. We're the first ones on the East Coast to pick up an SVJ. But take a look at this one in the satin white with the gold wheels. Looks pretty sick. Hey, full private access to their second building. So this is the official PFS McLaren 570S. Take a look at this, how big this wing is. God damn. This wrap is crazy, satin chrome. What an insane build. I'm now heading out from Protective Film Solutions. We're gonna be doing a tour of Newport Beach and checking out a bunch of the dealerships that they have over here. Let's go. Bugatti Veyron. Take a look at that. And the Agera car, wow. Wow, do you guys hear the turbos? So we've made it here to Ilusso in Orange County, one of the craziest dealerships I've been to. They have such a variety of cars over here, ranging from Porsches, McLarens, Lambos. What's up, guys? Welcome to Ilusso. We got some SV twinning going on over here. This is actually a Roadster. You gotta go with the comfort seats. The bucket seats in this Aventador are the worst. Literally, you cannot sit in this car for an hour. This car, you could sit in for days. You could drive this to Canada and back, and you won't have a problem. This car is amazing. What do we have here? Salomondrin'S Carrera GT. Oh my God, this is crazy. Wow. Look at this V10. This is my favorite car by far, the Carrera GT. Oh my God. Look at this. So Salomondrin actually painted this car aftermarket. They have it for sale over here at Ilusso. They're the ones that actually purchased the car. And this car is pretty raw, naturally aspirated V10. And can't forget about the stick shift. Oh, you guys hear the whistle in the turbo? GT2 RS. Crazy. Oh, sand pump. Oh. This is California. This is how they do it over here. Sand everywhere. That's gonna end it for us over here at Ilusso. Where are we going, Brendan? It's a secret. Spot. So we have made it here to the man cave. I'm not gonna be vlogging in there, being super respectful, so we're gonna do a quick montage. Insert that right now. craziest car collections I've ever seen. And right here, there's a Novatec Aventador SV. How sick does this look? Lower to the ground. Look at that. Making some popcorn today. We're still here in Orange County. We finally met up with the V10 bros. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Welcome to the channel. So they own both of these Lamborghini Huracans. This thing is so low to the ground. Like, look at that. Oh my God.
California super.
What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Is this car lower or the Liberty Walk one?
I don't know.
Look at that.
He's talking, though.
This thing is freaking low. Holy crap. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Oh God. We're gonna get in trouble tonight.
Grab
The takeover right now. Look at the cars. 2 Huracans.
Yeah,
The
grab
Liberty
that.
Walk Huracan, Nissan GTR. 2 German beasts right there. Let's go eat. I still can't get over how low this car is. Look, the wheel is literally tucking underneath the fender. This is actually static. Make sure you guys check them out on Instagram. They're brothers with 2 Lamborghinis. I wish I could be like that. Right over here at K1 Go Karting Track. Let's get the drifts on. Ah, you f***ed up. Oh, I think this one will win. Here, Brandon, turn it on. There you go.
I've got my stupid rev limiter now. Like.
Holy crap. So just made it back here to Protective Film Solutions, and I didn't finish filming, so this is why we're back here. It's dark. Wow, check out this 488. So what are you guys doing to this one?
Full body clear up.
Full expel on this car. So basically everything over here is full expel. They are certified. Check out all the cars over here. Check out this Performantes. Guys, the all new G-Wagon. See, they changed the whole front on it. It's more round. They took off the big grille that came up to the lights. This is actually the 63. Wow. So what do you guys think? Do you like the older G-Wagon better or the newer one? What do you guys think?
I personally hate the old G-Wagon.
I think the new one looks sick. Look at the look at the dash as well. It's all digital. Let's open that up. Just like the S-Class, it has the double screens. It's pretty sick. And it smells good in here. New car smell. I thank you, Logan, for showing us around Orange County, Newport Beach, everything, and Brandon for taking me to Ilusso and this place. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on a like so hard.